For Chapter 11 Minitab, you're asked to calculate the number of active primary care physicians and Social Security beneficiaries per 100,000 population in each county. And then you're going to produce some displays and some summary statistics. So what I'm going to show you here is how to set up that standardized variable. So I'm going to work with Medicaid eligibles to demonstrate the steps that you need to calculate the number per 1,000 population. And we're going to use the formula icon to create a formula, and I'm going to go over to column C50 and create my formula in that column. So here's my C50 here. And if we divide the Medicaid eligibles by the population, we'll get a percentage as a decimal, and then we can multiply that by 1,000 to get the number of physicians per 1,000, or rather the number of Medicaid eligibles per 1,000 residents. And we're going to round the calculated figure. So move over to column C50, click on the column to highlight it, and then you want to click on the formula icon, and we want to enter the formula. So the formula is going to be, we're going to scroll down in the functions over here, down to round, because we want to come up with a rounded number. I'm going to click on that function, select it, and then the number that I'm going to calculate is going to be, I'm going to multiply by 1,000 I mentioned before. So I'm going to put 1,000 times, and then I want to take, in my case I'm going to do the Medicaid eligibles, which is in column C11, select it, and I want to divide by the population, select, and then I'm going to put 0 decimals because I want to round to a whole number because we're dealing with people here, so we want to use whole numbers. And then we want to just hit OK. And my data now is identified here, is calculated here. So this, I'm going to go ahead and name this Medicaid per 1,000, so I remember what it is. In the second part of the question, you were asked to create some graphs. So I'm going to go over and go to Graph. And the first thing I'll do is a histogram. And I'm going to just pick a simple histogram. And I'm going to do it now on that C50 that I just calculated. And if I wanted to change my options here, I could do that. I'm just going to hit OK. And there's my histogram. And then let's also go ahead and do the box plot. So a little review. The box plot is also one of the graph options here, box plot. We'll just do a simple. And again, we'll select that calculated variable. And I don't think I need any particular options on here. And there's my box plot. And then you were also asked on those same, some other variables that you're going to work on, to do the mean, the median, the mode, and so forth. And I'm going to go ahead and do that on this variable here, just as a review. So go to Stat, Basic Stats, Display Descriptive Statistics, and I'm going to do it again on that C50. And I'm going to select the stats that were asked for. They asked for the mode, they asked for the median, the minimum and the maximum, the range, the first quartile, the third quartile, and also the standard deviation. And then just click OK and OK. And again, this will be in your output window up top here, which you can make bigger so that you can cut and paste that into your report.